Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Around wrongdoing and incompetence in Africa Mayibuye movement. So we confront incompetence directly and we do not gossip about it. So if leaders, even if they were there from day zero, if they do not do the work of the organization, we tell them, even alongside those that have joined in terms of review, that you are not doing what is expected of you. So the resignations, as the national chairs said, that you have seen of the officials is because of incompetent people who were unable to do organizational work, and we did a scientific measure and assessment of their contribution. It was not adding value to the organization. And the discussion was that we're going to a national convention. Do we go to the membership and say that these are leaders when we know that they are not capable of fulfilling the tasks that is expected of them? And as the chair said, they then opportunistically resigned to create a public perception that the organization is in a crisis, people are jumping off. We're removing them in terms of the decision. And in relation to the Deputy President, Robert Mwendo, who is also the president of Mawusa, he has said publicly that he was overwhelmed by the tasks of being a deputy president of a founding organization and being a president of a union which has to pay full-time attention on the sector that he organizes in. Of course, you will give different reasons every day, but we accept that reason. And we could see that he was indeed overwhelmed in fulfilling the tasks that he had to fulfill as deputy president of Africa Mayibuye movement. So I think that issue has been clarified. So there is no crisis, none whatsoever, in terms of the organization that we're building. But
Nkulumo oqeda kuyibona yashiwo Floyd president we-Africa Mayibuye ngonyaka ophelile, lapho khona kwabonakala inqwaba yabantu beresigna ku-Africa Mayibuye, futhi kungaresigni just ordinary members, kuresign abantu abakuma-positions lapha ku-Africa Mayibuye. Lokho kukwenza ukuthi abantu abangamalungu omphakathi nabantu nje abawuthanda i-Africa Mayibuye nabangayithanda i-Africa Mayibuye bakhulume ngalolu daba. Okutheke uma sekune-media briefing wayesekhuluma njengoba umuzwe ekhuluma la ukuthi cha, hhayi ngoba kune-crisis, kodwa labantu ngoba bengenzi kahle, wabala-ke lokhu akubalile. Ikhona into eyodwa esayikhuluma ngalela la namanje ngizoyiphinda. Kwi-message yabo babethi i-Africa Mayibuye as an organization, ama-ideas are right, kodwa the current leaders they are not steering it in the right direction. But if Africa Mayibuye can be steered in the right direction, ingaba isisombululo. Lokhu-ke kuyakhathaza ukuzwa nje leyo nkulumo noma ungaqondi kwenzakalani, ebese vele ngumholi athi hayi labana they were incompetent, so sibaxoshile njengoba bona beresign bafuna ukwenza i-narrative bese ngathi kune-crisis. Siyakwamukela-ke lokho. Abantu bayaphuma kuma-political parties ahlukehlukene asuke bejoyine kuwo, ngoba ngisho nezathu zabo zokujoyina i-political party azifani. So omunye ungena nge-expectation, kutholakala ukuthi ayisenzekile leyo expectation bese yaphuma. Kodwa nje lento yokuresigna kwabantu ku-Africa Mayibuye noma ngathiwa they were incompetent, not bonke. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi lesi story nje uFloyd president ayisakhile uza justify isizathu salokho okwenzakalayo. Ngibona ama-resignation letters awu-9 noma awu-10 if I'm not mistaken e-Africa Mayibuye. Sizowafunda lama resignation letters abantu abawushiyayo lapha ku-Africa Mayibuye. So you can't tell me ukuthi bonke nalabantu labo nabo futhi they are also incompetent. Angeke kuze kwenzeke. So sizofunda ke lawo ma-resignation, kodwa nje ngizama ukuthi kunenkinga ekhona ku-Afrika mayibuye, futhi uma bengakafuni ukubhekana nenkinga, isisombululo sanoma yiphi inkinga ufuna ukuyiqonda. Okokuqala ufuna ukuyazi inkinga yakho ukuthi inkinga yakho yini. Emveni kwalapho bese uyayiqonda inkinga uzuyixazulule. Kodwa uma usazobheka izaba nezathu ngoba ufuna ukuthi emphakathini buke ngendlela ethize, angeke uze uphume kuleyo nkinga leyo. Yingakho ngithi angicaphunele le video uzwe ukuthi ngesikhathi kwenzeka into ecishe ifane nale wathini upresident we-Afrika mayibuye. So njengoba manje sizofunda lama-resignation, mhlawumbe uyositshela okunye, kodwa lezi zathu sasekuqaleni hayi angisikholwa mina, angisikholwa. Umuntu onjengoFloyd usuke usenkingeni ngoba kunama-fighters ngapha athandazela ukuwa kaFloyd, futhi athokoza kakhulu ngokuthi uFloyd khona into engahambi kahle kuye. Yingakho zonke izinto ezazenzeka ku-MK, esesiwu-SG we-MK, zazivela ngabo, futhi ubone ukuthi uma kunenkinga ngesikhathi kuwa kwakuney'mpikiswano, kukhona abangamfuni, kukhona abamfunayo, kwakubathokozisa lokho. Namanje-ke laba khona bajabulile ngoba ayikho into eyabajabulisa njengokubona uFloyd ewa ehluleka. Resignation letter yokuqala ibhalwe ngomhla ka-24 kuFebruary 2026. Ithi, to the Secretary of Africa Mayibuye Movement, greeting to all comrades. Resignation letter. Receive resignation letter from me, Sekwela Maria, with immediate effect from 25 day of February 2026. I am resigning as a Deputy Secretary of Tzaneen Sub-Region and member of Africa Mayibuye Movement. I thank the opportunity you have given to me to serve Africa Mayibuye Movement. I want to focus in my work, wishing the best for your collective efforts in fighting for the freedom and emancipation of Black people, hoping to find above in order. Regards, Sekwela Maria. Resignation letter uqala le. Esibili ibhalwe ngomhla ka-25 kuFebruary 2025. To whom it may concern, Africa Mayibuye Movement Regional Secretary, salutation and greeting to you. Resignation letter, IR Rabotata Raymond Siapeye. Receive resignation letter from me, Rabotata Raymond, with immediate effect from the date you received this letter. I am resigning as the Secretary, Coordinator of Tzaneen Sub-Region and member of Africa Mayibuye Movement. I would like to thank you for the opportunity you have given and the responsibility assigned to me during my tenure as Secretary or Coordinator. We have to part ways politically, nothing else. Wishing the best for your collective in the struggle for freedom and emancipation of Black child, Africans in particular. Hoping to find that above in order. Nibhalwe ngomhla ka-24 kuFebruary 2026 ifundeka kanje. To the Secretary of Africa Mayibuye Movement, greeting to all comrades. Resignation letter. Receive resignation letter from me, Edward Komane, with immediate effect from 24 day of February 2026. I am resigning as the Treasurer of Mopani Region and member of Africa Mayibuye Movement. I thank the opportunity given to serve Africa Mayibuye Movement. I want to focus in my work, wishing the best for your collective efforts in fighting for the freedom and emancipation of Black people, hoping to find this above in order. Best regard, Edward Komane. Landelayo ithi, to the Secretary, Africa Mayibuye Movement, resignation letter. Receive resignation letter from me, Mojesi Malimu Blonde, with immediate effect from 24th day of February 2026. I am resigning as the Secretary and Coordinator of Letaba Sub-Region and member of Africa Maibuye Movement. I thank the opportunity given to me to serve the community of Sekgosese and the Africa Maibuye Movement. I want to focus in my educational studies, wishing the best for your collective in the struggle for freedom and emancipation of Black people. Hoping to find this above in order. Best regard, Mojesi Blondi Malehu. Resignation letter is Hlano. It to the Secretary Africa Maibuye Movement. Greeting to all comrades. Resignation letter. Receive resignation letter from me, Sodi Delvia, with immediate effect from 25th day of February 2026. I am resigning as Secretary of Maruleng Sub-Region and member of Africa Maibuye Movement. I thank the opportunity given to serve Africa Maibuye Movement. I want to focus on my work, wishing the best for your collective efforts in fighting for the freedom and emancipation of Black people. Hoping to find the above in order. Best regard, Sodi Delvia. Kadluleli nje phambili ngifunda amanye ayifana lama resignation letter. Ngiyasola kune template yokuresign uma ufuna ukuresign ka-Africa Maibuye. Uvela uyi-download nje bese ushintshe amagama kuphela. Bonke labantu babhala into efanayo yodwa nje efanayo. And like to the Secretary of Africa Maibuye Movement, greetings to you, comrade. Resignation letter. I, Samuel Mapenyisi, hereby render my resignation letter with immediate effect from the 25th day of February 2026. I am resigning as the Deputy Treasurer of Mopane Region and member of Africa Maibuye Movement. Thank you for the opportunity you have given to me in serving Africa Maibuye Movement. I want to focus in my work as traditional leader, wishing the best for your collective efforts in fighting for the freedom and emancipation of Black people, hoping to find the above in order. Best regard, Samuel Mpenyisi. And the resignation letter, it receive resignation letter from me, Malisa Mapula, with immediate effect from the 24th day of February 2026. I am resigning as the treasurer of Tzaneen Sub-Region and member of Africa Maibuye Movement. Sayifundi yonke lento engaphansi so bengilongifunda into eyodwa sonke lesikhathi. Landela resignation letter. Ithi resignation letter I, Elvis Ntlangwane, hereby tender my resignation letter with immediate effect from the 25th day of February 2026. I am resigning as an additional member of the province and withdrawing my membership from Africa Maibuye Movement. And lokhu kuyafana lokho besilokhu sikufunda. Resignation letter landelayo ibhalwe ngomhla ka-24 kuFebruary 2026. It a revolutionary greetings. Resignation letter. It is with sincere regret that I must tender my resignation letter from Africa Maibuye Movement with immediate effect. I find it hard to continue as a die-hard member of the organization. I leave the organization on my own terms. Open quotes. Never has it been more certain that our victory depends principally on our own action. Tell no lies. Claim no easy victories. Close quotes. By Amilcar Cabral. Yours, Mopane Region Additional Member, Tulsile Shipuri. Yokugcina resignation letter ithi, I am resigning as Africa Maibuye Movement with immediate effect. I want to stop being active in Maibuye politics just to allow myself time to relax. I realize over time that Maibuye in Limpopo, more especially in Mopane Region, is not a vehicle to liberate our people because of the people in leadership positions and infiltrations by the provincial leaders in the affairs of the region. Yours, former Regional Secretary Thandi Ngoveni, date 24 February 2026. Ulukhuni ngempela kuma kunje. Phela siyavota kulonyaka. NgoNovember nje walonyaka kuyavotwa. Azi November, December ubaba uhlabiswa wathi ngenzeka futhi ube uJanuary ngonyaka ozayo. Kodwa kuyavotwa. This is an election year. Uma ke iorganization ikhombisa ukungabi stable yona nje iyodwa kusemanje, kunzima kabi ukuthi singayithemba ngeenkinga zasekuhlaleni. So iAfrica mayibuye ayiyolungisa inkinga zayo. Bayeke nalokucasha ngesithupha bathi hayi incompetence abahlale phansi balungise iphutha. Kungayinkinga ke mangathi iphutha likumholi. Ngoba phela uma kunjalo kuzoba nzima ukumconfronta simtshela ukuthi hayi ndoda yazi inqola yona right inkinga nguwe. Ngoba kuyenzeka imoto ibe right kodwa kuphethe udrive. Kuyenzeka. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo ngiyabonga.